Welcome. I'm Food Monkey. Thank you to Windsor Updates for asking me to do this video. Tonight we're going to make risotto Milanese with a pan-seared salmon, finished with Gremolata. We're going to start with the risotto, one of my favorite dishes. We're going to put the butter in the pan, heat it up, melt it, and then from that we're going to start doing the Gremolata. Let that melt. Into the Gremolata. A Gremolata is an Italian version of a chimichurri sauce. So we have parsley, garlic, lemon zest, lemon juice, salt, pepper, and olive oil. And for this we use about a half a cup. Blend it, excuse the noise. Okay. We have our Gremolata. We'll put that to the side. We have to finish the salmon. So now that our butter is melting, we can add our onions. So for this we have about half a cup of onions. Get that to saute. And while that's sauteing, we'll go through our ingredients. So we have arborio rice, lemon, saffron, garlic, our onions we just put in, Parmesan cheese, pepper, salmon, and for the salmon we have my own spice is a Zonka spice rub. Has a nice smoky paprika, chili flavor to it, very nice. So now that it is sauteing, raise the heat. So now that the onions are sauteing, we can now add our garlic. And our rice. For this part, you want to coat the rice with the butter. Get that coated, you're going to bring it back to temperature. And from there, we'll have our hot stock. Tonight we're using vegetable stock to cook our rice. Okay, so as we're cooking, we're adding our stock. This is, by the end of this, we'll be adding about 3 cups or 6 of these ladles, give or take. Might add more, might add less. We keep incorporating it. This isn't a fast type of cooking. This is slow and steady. It's a slow and steady. You want to keep cooking it, mixing it as you go. Risotto means movement. So when you have the finished plate, you want to have a little bit of movement when you move the plate around. You're not making a porridge, a thick porridge. You're making a smooth rice dish. And soon we'll add our salt and pepper. Okay, so as this cooks, we can go to our salmon. I'll put the pan on. We're going to cook it in a cast iron pan because it gives consistent heat and a good sear. When that's on, well, you can't forget about a risotto though. So now we're gonna start on the salmon. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil on top just so I can adhere the spice rub to it. Okay, so I have my salmon with a little bit of oil on top just to adhere the spice rub that I did. I'm gonna bring it over here to the cast iron grill. A little bit of oil of that. And we're gonna spin the side down. Let it sizzle. You wanna get a nice coat on it. Crispy skin. You want to cook the salmon about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. And as we're cooking that, we want to stir our rice. Let's incorporate this one. We can kind of taste it and see if it's there yet. Nice sear. Let that cook. Back to our rice. We're going to taste it. Okay, so we have our salmon cooking. We'll take it off. As you can see, the spice gave it a nice crust on it, which is what we want. Now back to our rice. It's almost there. We're going to add our cheese now. We'll add our cheese near the end. And before we finish, we're going to add a little bit of lemon juice to it as well. The acidity helps with the creaminess of it. We'll add our lemon juice. One more taste. That is good. Okay. We can now go to plating. Okay, so we're plating right now. I like to use a bigger plate than normal, but we can always add our salmon in the center after we are on top of our rice. We've got a nice portion of the risotto. We'll take our salmon, place it on top, and then our Gremolata sauce. There we have. Go over. And finish with a little bit of olive oil as well. And then to finish fully off, before I cooked a bit of the salmon skin, crispy, and I place it on top. And there you go. Risotto Milanese with a pan-seared salmon, finished with a Gremolata sauce. Have a good evening. Thanks again, Windsor Updates.